They try to use our differences to separate us. Do they not know Oromia doesn't belong to the Muslim, the Orthodox, the Lutheran, or the Jew? Do they not know they can't divide us anymore? We are united like never before. Do they not know we have torn down every wall between us and opened up every door? Do they not know when they killed our Hachalu, they rang the bell for war? Do they not know Oromia doesn't belong to the Arsi? Oromia doesn't belong to the Walaga. Oromia doesn't belong to the Showa. Oromia doesn't belong to the Hararge. Oromia is for the Oromo. They use dog whistles to try to chime to the oppressors. They call us terrorists as they commit the same crimes as their predecessors. Didn't we come to the table when they asked? Didn't we hail their prime minister into office? Did we not fill up stadiums and waved our flags? Did we not come for peace? Did we not add ourselves when they asked us to add, only to leave us broken, disappointed, and sad? Yet, they call us divisive. They call us problematic. They call us hateful. Didn't they burn our books and send our teachers to prison? Didn't they steal our land and call us homeless? Didn't they burn our crops and kill our students? Didn't they murder our brothers and rape our wives? Don't they not remember our mother's tears as she used it to wash her dead child's skin? Didn't they call it justice? Didn't they use unity as a reason to silence us without a remedy? Yet last week, I saw a bunch of Ethiopians marching up and down, screaming Yam Menyal when Ethiopia is touched. Yam Menyal, Yam Menal. Where was your hmem when we died? Where was your hmem when we cried? Where was your hmem when we bled? Wishatam. Didn't I see an Ethiopian lady scream unity to my face and spit gala behind my back? Didn't I feel my grace crack as she sent me spiraling down a murderous track? I want to show her a stack of calendars that date back to the 1800s. I want to make her eat it. As she learns the dates of the Oromo massacres and genocides. I want to push my fist down her throat and grab back my respect. I want her to swallow her own teeth instead of the bones of my ancestors. I want her to feel the fear they felt. I want her to feel so afraid her ancestors feel it. I want her to feel the fear my ancestors felt as her ancestors poured their language down our throat. I want her to feel how her definition of unity requires me to abandon my identity. I want her to feel the numbness of our tongue, the tightness of our lung, as we watch our heroes fall. I want her to see each breath we take like a hologram projected from us all. I want her to have a damn premonition of our liberation. Didn't I see an Ethiopian laugh at the death of Hachalu? I couldn't understand how a human can laugh at the death of another. I couldn't understand how a human can laugh at the death of a father, a brother, a husband, until I wanted to create a rainbow with his blood. As I imagined his blood dampening my socks and turning it burgundy. Until I started contemplating choking him without a noose. Just like they did my father while they beat him black and blue. Do they not know there are still so many roads stained by the Oromo blood? Do they not know they hail a king, a murderer king, Minilik? Don't they hail the king that killed my father and cut my mother's breasts? Didn't they walk over my brother's corpse with bullet wounds on his chest? Yet they call us terrorists. They call us problematic. They call us hateful. I wonder if they know the definition of irony. History is written by the winner I know. Columbus was once hailed a hero, I know. The death toll was not taught in schools, I know. You didn't learn the death toll in schools, I know. But ignorance is bliss. In this case, I think I'm about to spaz. So stop, please stop chanting Yambingal. Don't chant Yambingal when my pain doesn't seem to touch you, my blood doesn't seem to worry you, my sorrow doesn't seem to bother you. You keep on trying to bury your sins and pretend they don't exist. Just keep on trying to bury your sins and pretend they don't exist. You're used to doing that. I know. Do they not know? A rebel is what you should be. A rebel is what you should be when your hero becomes just another tyrant, when they try to keep you silent, when they try to censor you and keep you silent. A rebel is what you should be. Do they not know that they have stoked the fires of change? Do they not know they have awoken a sleeping giant? They must not know. They must not know. But they will know.
Thank you, Bonnie.